we're back in my truck. So today I'm doing a compressor change out, but I just bought one of these things for camping. It's got 5 solar panels on it, so you can charge it with the sun. But I've actually found myself using it on the field to charge my phones, my tablet, and some of my tools, and it's been working pretty good. So I've actually charged everything I could to get it to 0. So you can see here it only has 1 dot left. Yep. So you can see here it only has 1 dot. So usually there's 4. That means it's fully charged. And I was able to charge, like, I charged my thermal imaging camera. I charged my two work phones, my tablet, my headphones, and my AirPods. And I was able to basically, I charged it by plugging it in to full, and it took 2 days to actually up until now, which it's actually, this is the 3rd day, so it's about 10 o'clock in the morning right now, to get it dead. So anyway, this is made by Goodaaa, or Goodaaa. This is the 5-panel solar charger. They have one where it's just a single panel, but this one's got the extra panels, as you can see. So that's pretty cool. You see that little green light? That means it's charging, so we want to go ahead and cover those up. But yeah, I ran it to dead because I wanted to see how long it's going to take to actually charge to full just using the sun. So we're going to be doing that while I'm changing the compressor. It's a nice sunny day today, so I'm going to put it in direct sunlight and see how long it takes to charge it back to full. But yeah, so here we go. All right, so we got a little bit of cloud cover, but still kind of sunny. Let me see. So it's about 128 degrees, the solar panels are. The one that's actually on the battery itself is 143, so it's about 20 degrees hotter. So yeah, but she's still charging. Let's see what level she's at. Alright, so see the thing, we gotta push the power button. We're still at two dots. So it's been 3 hours. So we'll keep her charging. Alright, so it's been 5 hours. Let's see where she's at. Still at 2. So 5 hours, pretty much got a half charge. Not too bad. I mean, I'll never let it go dead, but you know, we'll keep her charging. Alright, so she's been charging in the sun for 7 hours. It's pretty warm. It's just touching it. Let's go ahead and turn her on. We have 3 dots. Not bad. So if I had to charge this from dead, it would take all day, pretty much. So anyway, that's pretty cool. So in 3 hours, it was able to put 2 dots on there originally. So that means if you lost a couple dots, you could probably get it charged up if you're hiking or camping, or if you're in the sun changing a compressor. So anyway, hopefully you like this video. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification, and if you want to pick one of these up, get it on my Amazon store. Thanks for watching.